everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that has all the coders out there sweating more than they do during a surprise Friday deployment. That's right, we're talking about Devin AI. Is it your coding buddy or is it out for your job? Devin AI, one of the latest tools designed to help us poor, overworked coders. But here's the question. Is it helping us write code? Or is it here to replace us and take our lunch breaks? I mean, what's next? Robots filing bugs and pushing updates? Let's get started with what Devin AI actually does. Picture this. You are stuck debugging some spaghetti code, it's midnight, and you're 99% sure your brain is now running on JavaScript instead of neurons. Suddenly, boom! Devin AI swoops in like a superhero, suggests fixes, automates some code, and even cake writes that one function you were dreading. It's like having a coding genie, but instead of 3 wishes, you get infinite ones. But they're all come in Python. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Coding problem solved in seconds. Goodbye Stack Overflow. Or is it? As Devin AI gets better, faster, and more accurate, you might start wondering, am I even needed here? Am I just the middleman between Devin AI and GitHub? One day you're writing functions, the next day Devin is doing your code reviews and rejecting your pull requests. Why Devin? We were supposed to be a team. But hold on. Before we all freak out and turn off our computers for good, let's think about this. Is Devin AI really here to replace us? Or maybe, just maybe, it's here to make us better? Sure, Devin AI can automate boring stuff, like boilerplate code or that one task you've been avoiding for a week. You know the one. But that means we coders can finally focus on the fun stuff. The creative problem-solving parts that got us into coding in the first place. Think about it. No more debugging loops that make you question your life choices. No more rewriting functions for the 50th time. Instead, you can design cool systems, think about architecture, or maybe, just maybe, leave work at 5 p.m. for once. Okay, let's not get carried away. So is Devin AI helping us? Absolutely. Is it replacing us? Well, unless you're coding like it's 1995 and you still think cloud is just a weather thing, probably not. It's more like having a supercharged assistant. I mean, even Iron Man has Jarvis, right? And Tony Stark still has a job and really cool gadgets. Devin AI makes coding faster, smoother, and a lot less, why isn't this compiling? It's here to make us super coders, not unemployed ones. Plus, let's face it, no AI can ever replace the pure joy of debugging at 2 a.m. in your pajamas, right? So, coders of the world, relax. Devin AI isn't here to steal your job. It's here to take care of the boring stuff so you can focus on the real coding magic. Like finally getting that side project done that's been sitting on your GitHub for 3 years. You know the one. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech talk, humor, and coding chaos. And remember, keep your friends close and your AI assistants closer. See you in the next one.